Thank you. Again, thanks for the introduction. So I am the Director of Federal and Industry Relations at Michigan Tech, working up through Jim Baker and Dave Reed in Vice President of Research Office. So as part of my job is going out and talking to lots of companies and now congressional legislature and learning more about what it means for economic development in the state and how our institutions involved with that within the state, within society, within research, and what are companies looking for in some of their technologies. The word mobility, I'll ask the crowd here, who can define mobility? Because it's a changing term. All right, I'll say my definitions. This is what I've heard. So we're using mobility as the movement of people and goods. So mobility exists today, but where is mobility going? So I didn't want to talk, but I wanted to bring some comments from where is mobility going. So begin mass production of fully driverless car by 2021. That was a comment from Ford. Navy advances future ghost fleet of swarming aerial, surface, and undersea drones. So this is happening today, and definitely the way of the future tomorrow. That's a comment from the Navy. These are all, I'll say, representatives that we are working with in some fashion. An inflection point for the transportation industry not seen in decades. General Motors. German Railways to introduce autonomous long-distance trains by 2023. So it's the year 2017. That's 6 years from now. Help me out. I can't pronounce the DB, but anyone know? Where's Posse? This company's logo. There you go. As of today, all vehicles produced in our factory will have the hardware needed for full self-driving capability at a safety level sustainability greater than that of the human driver. As of today. Tesla. And maybe the most important figure, driverless cars could save 32,000 lives a year in the United States alone. It is in the millions if you apply that towards the globe. That's the National Transportation Safety Board. One of the efforts you might have heard of is Planet M. This is coming from the state of Michigan. Its goal to keep and grow and retain the assets, technology, and future of mobility within the state of Michigan. And Michigan Tech, we're separated a little bit in geography, which no one's surprised at that. But bringing to you today is just the start, I think, of something exciting and bringing the groups together. So again, you're going to see a lot of people today talking about mobility and where they intersect. And so I want to introduce our first speaker with that, Nina.